In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an order on MetaTrader 4. So there's actually a few ways to do this. The first one is if you open up a chart, you can right click anywhere on your chart and then you want to go to trading, and from here you can go and sell or buy or click on a new order to open up the order window. That's the first way. The second one is up top just above your order, or of course the chart, you can see the new order button. So you want to click on a new order, and in here you can place a new order. Then another way is to basically look at the market watch over here on the left. If you can't see it, you can enable it by pressing either Control and M on your keyboard or this button up here, right clicking on the asset and clicking on a new order to open up the order window. Or to place an order, the default button on your keyboard is going to be the F9 button at the top of your keyboard. When you do this, it's going to open up this order window where you basically can place an order. So you can just select your symbol like this. You could go and select the volume you want to do. I'm going to go 1 right now. Then if you want to, this is optional, you can place a stop loss and take profit. And you can also add a comment to your order if you wanna. Then you have the order types, you have market execution and a pending order. And then down here, you can of course select buy or sell, whichever one you want to do. And whenever you do this, there we go. As you can see, I've successfully placed an order and I can find it inside the trading window down here at the bottom left. When I click on trade, here I do have my placed order. So that's how to place orders. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.